I have found out in my research as well as my experience, more than the act of termination, it is the environment that the woman is in, or in what under what condition the decision of termination has been taken, that plays a major part. Because in our society, in our Indian society, if you have seen, as we started the discussion on that note, abortion is not a decision which is very looked down upon, isn't it? A decision which should be staying between the woman and the doctor, right? It is not theirs alone. Everyone is weighing in. Everyone is putting their opinion there. Government is giving us certain policy. There are family members, there are parents, there are spouses, there are other family members, society, neighbor. Everyone has an opinion what should a woman do. But ultimately, if a woman is deciding to terminate a pregnancy, is that decision only her alone? No, na. The decision is influenced by so many factors here. So when you are not independently taking the decision, even when you are influenced by so many factors, then the responsibility of that decision is also not alone that woman's, isn't it? In that case, when you are going through such intense experience, obviously there might be some impact which we can notice emotionally, which often happens after pregnancy. But mostly I will attribute that to the lack of the support system than the act of termination. Yes, there are emotional impact of abortion. Why that impact is coming? Because as you were discussing the window, right? So think of a woman who is getting to know about the pregnancy so late. Already the time is becoming very less. So you are bound to make a decision. And when you are making that decision, you are not getting ample support. So is it a PTSD due to the act of termination, or is it because I'm being forced to make a decision too quick without anyone else's support? Every responsibility is with me. Isn't that a pressure? Continuous pressure. I will refer to this as a traumatic experience after traumatic experience, going through that. It's going through a chronic trauma. See, abortion, we are considering the scenarios where the person feels she is not equipped to manage the situation, be it a traumatic condition under which she got pregnant, or a wrong decision, or understanding that later I cannot give this baby a good life. So under these conditions, when a woman is making that decision of going for abortion, and how she has to, so every time she is visiting a doctor, the doctors here, the medical support is coming, the doctor is explaining exactly what you will be going through. Physically, what will be done to you, medically, what will be done to you. Nowadays, we use neuroscience in psychotherapy, where we teach people that yes, intense emotions are going to come. How are you going to manage that? There are strategies that one can learn. So if a counselor or a psychotherapist gets the opportunity to counsel this woman, provide the therapeutic support. Basically, what I'm trying to say is preparation is the key.